you can connect as many controllers as you want to your drone. However, only one can be paired to it at a time. Actually, both of those controllers was previously connected to that drone, but this one is the latest one that have been connected to it. So that's why when I'm powering on the remote, I can just hit the fly button and go fly with my drone. I just have to wait that the app load and I will be ready to fly because it was previously paired with it. So actually, as you can see, I can see the drone and I can fly with it. All right, let's land because that's noisy. And now if I want to connect that controller to it, what I will do is to disconnect that one. The easiest way to do it will be to power it off. All right, so this connection is made. Now I will power on that remote. So double tap on the power button and hold it until it turns on. And then I will go here inside the app. So I have to install the Fly app on my iPhone right here. And I go in connection guide. I will select my drone. And there is some instruction here. You can read it if you want, but what is important to do is to go in pair mode, and I can do that by holding for 4 seconds the button under it, or until I can hear a little 1, 2, 3, 4, and I can hear it. So now it's in pairing mode, and if it's not already connected, you can hit the unable to connect to the aircraft and hit the pair button. It should take just a few seconds. Right, there's a double beep on the drone and the connection is successful. So now I'm ready to fly with the drone. So that's as easy. So now if I want to connect back that controller, I will do the same thing. I will power off that one, go inside the connection settings of that one and pair it back to that remote. That's just as easy. So I hope this was helpful.